Want to lower your water bills and save the planet at the same time? You're in the right place. Let's uncover the 5 hacks on how to save on water bill. Our first hack is a crucial one: fixing leaks promptly. Did you know a single leak can waste thousands of gallons a year? Here's how you can stay on top of leaks. Regularly inspect all your taps, pipes, and appliances for any signs of leakage. Listen for drips or running water in quiet moments. If you spot a leak, address it immediately, either by DIY fixes or calling a professional. Next up, hack 2: investing in water-saving appliances. Old appliances can be incredibly wasteful, so upgrading can lead to significant savings. When it's time to replace, choose appliances with high energy and water efficiency ratings. Look for dishwashers and washing machines that offer eco-friendly cycles. Check for the Energy Star label to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Moving on to hack 3: installing water-efficient fixtures. This can drastically reduce your water usage without sacrificing performance. Swap out old shower heads, taps, and toilets with low-flow models. Look for fixtures that carry the WaterSense label, ensuring they are at least 20% more efficient than standard models. Aerators and flow reducers can also make a big difference in how much water you use daily. Our fourth hack involves adopting efficient water practices. Some of these include watering your lawn and plants during the early morning or late evening to minimize evaporation, turning off the tap while brushing teeth, taking shorter showers, using the dishwasher only when it's full. Lastly, hack 5 is a simple yet effective practice: turning off your water when not in use. Shut off the tap while doing dishes. Use a broom instead of a hose to clean driveways. Secure outdoor faucets to prevent waste and tampering. So there you have it, folks. Saving water means saving money and safeguarding our future. Every drop counts and your efforts make a difference. Don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more expert tips.